Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Huel Black Edition and Chava. We'll immediately dive into their protein content, examining the sources and amounts in each. Then, we'll look at their carbohydrate and sugar levels, understanding how they contribute to your daily intake. We'll also discuss the fat content, highlighting the types of healthy fats included. Finally, we'll review their comprehensive vitamin and mineral profiles to see which offers a broader spectrum of micronutrients. When comparing the core nutrition, Huel Black Edition provides 40 grams of protein per serving, primarily from pea, brown rice, and faba bean. Chava offers 25 grams of protein, sourced from a diverse plant blend. Huel Black contains 17 grams of carbohydrates, with only 2 grams of sugar. Chava has 24 grams of carbohydrates, including 5 grams of sugar and a higher fiber content. Huel Black Edition focuses on a high-protein, low-carb profile, utilizing a blend of pea, brown rice, and faba bean proteins. Chava, on the other hand, emphasizes a broader spectrum of superfoods, including a variety of plant proteins, adaptogens, and probiotics for gut health. Both products are fortified with essential vitamins and minerals, ensuring comprehensive nutritional support for your body's needs. The cost per serving can vary, with Huel Black often being more budget-friendly than Chava, especially when purchased in larger quantities. While taste is subjective, many find both offer pleasant flavors, with a range of options available. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific dietary needs, budget, and flavor preferences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.